Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you a Zambian flexi rod hack. If you grew up in Zambia, you probably have an idea of what I'm showing you. If you didn't, keep watching so you can see how to get large curls from tiny rollers. Okay, so let's get started. I have 7-day hair. This is after a perm rod set. I separated my hair so I could kind of semi-detangle it before rinsing it out and all the shrinkage came on. And this video is sponsored by Jamaican Mango and Lime Pure Naturals with smooth moisture because I need all the moisture I can get. They do have 7 products in their line. I will only be using 4 today. You've probably seen this in your local beauty supply store. So I'm starting with their coconut milk and honey shampoo. It's a sulfate-free shampoo, silky texture, very moisturizing, which gives you a really good setup for detangling. Trust me, whenever you use a shampoo, the more hydrating it is, the easier a time you will have with detangling and styling your natural hair. So I'm just targeting my scalp and working to the ends, and I washed my hair in the shower. I didn't use a conditioner. I'm just skipping all the way to leave-in conditioner. This one is also a detangler, and it's also great for heat styling. It's not too thick, not too thin, just right. I'm using a little bit on my hair, and then I'm going to separate my hair. I always put a little bit of product before I start separating into sections just so I don't snap my hair. And then I'm going to use some more, and I'm also using the Shea styling oil. So this is a nice serum. It's lightweight, so it's not gonna seal everything in just yet, but it's gonna make my hair more manageable. Just mixing the product with the serum, it's just magical. I love mixing serums with leave-ins. You guys know this, I've said this before quite a few times. So look at my hair right now. It's just making it easy for me to stretch it out and put it in a bantu knot. I'm not gonna finger detangle today, and I'm not gonna do my typical detangling process because I'm gonna do something a lot quicker, which is do all my bantu knots, wait like 10 minutes, and then comb my hair. Yes, just comb my hair. No finger detangling because I stretched my hair out. It's so much easier for me to comb, and I get the same amount of shedding as I do when I finger detangle. So I'm like winning at this point in my life. So the next product that I'm going to use is the butter. This is the butter cream. And you know how I am with butters. I am generous all the time. So I'm really gonna just apply it on there and go ahead and get started with curling my hair. So I'm getting small sections at a time, and I'm getting my tiniest flexi rods and folding it in half, putting the hair in the fold of the flexi rod so I can anchor my hair. And then I'm going to just wrap around both tails of the flexi rod so that I can get a larger curl than I would get if I only wrapped around the single flexi rod by itself. There is another way to do this, but I will show you guys how to do this in another video. I'm just rolling from root to tip because that's what I'm used to doing. But yeah, just make sure you put your hair in the fold of the flexi rod and then just start wrapping around. It literally is that easy. Make sure you smooth as you go, literally smoothing as you go. And once you get to the end, just keep going, going. I like to smooth so I can get nice smooth results, okay? So make sure you do that. Then fold the flexi rod and you're done. So this is the next day. I slept well. This was comfortable to sleep in. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take out my flexi rods after removing my scarf. I always tie my scarf loosely so some air can come through as I sleep, because some people wonder, like, how does your hair dry overnight? It dries, I promise. So now I'm taking out my curls the same way I put them in. That's how I'm taking them out. Once you get to the fold, pull the flexi rod by the folded area and just take it out. This is what my curl is looking like, and it's larger than my roller. Usually when you create curls with any kind of roller, your curls are just slightly larger, not considerably larger. These curls should be the size of a straw set, like straw curl set, but they're bigger than that because I wrapped around 2 tails. And I did a similar thing with my flat iron curls video, but I used heat. This time I'm using no heat at all, so I can show you how to do that. and the curls turned out really great. I'm going to go ahead and take out the last two in the back, separate my curls, and there is something about small curls, I don't know what it is, but I always struggle getting small curls to separate and define. They always end up fuzzy for some reason, but I think this looked okay. It looked really cute. I wore it down and I just wore a cute fuzzy-ish afro, but this is what my curls are looking like. Moving right along to the yellow flexi rods, I'm doing the same thing, but this time I was just lazy. I didn't feel like folding. This isn't the other method. There is another method, but I haven't showed it to you guys yet. I also wrap around one of the tails to secure it because this is a larger roller, so you need to bear that in mind. When you're dealing with larger rollers, always make sure you wrap around one of the tails at the very end to secure everything. And that's all that I do, you guys. My curls turned out great, and this time I'm actually gonna put these curls up in a bun, and this is what they look like, much larger than they would have looked if I just rolled them around the yellow rollers, just one tail or just one roller. Really, the yellow roller set should look like the purple one. That's how it should look, but it's larger. So that's all for this tutorial, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to check out the description box for information about the brand and follow us on Instagram, okay? I'll talk to you guys in the next one, and bye!